Alright guys, look at this typical examination question. It's a typical question that could come out from your WAEC, come out in your WAEC JAMB organized exams. Now we have told to simplify 0.0023 times 750 all over 0.00345 times 1.25, everything inside the square root sign. We're told to simplify the square root of 0.0023 times 750 all over 0.00345 times 1.25. So what you need to do, just leave the square root sign on its own. Just leave it first. Try and simplify the expressions inside. You can usually be given expressions that can cancel out. You just have to make them whole numbers. Let's take away the decimal places. So if you rewrite 0.0023, gives you 23 times 10 raised to the power minus 4. You have your 750 there. Then this expression 0.00345 can be rewritten without the decimal places. 345 times 10 raised to the minus 5. The 10 raised to the power minus 5 is to compensate for the decimal places 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So writing like this, you are likely that it's very likely that 23 divides into 345. Then 750 also divides to 125. Okay, so you see it cuts out like this. All right, so you see that 23 over 345, if you use your calculator, you see it cuts out 1 over 15. 750 over 125 gives you 6 over 1. So now all of this, 23 over 345 is 1 over 15. 750 over 125 is 6 over 1. I omitted the 1. Okay, and then we have to add your indices, 10 raised to the power minus 5, where it should be. This term minus 2, this term is minus 4. So it looks like this. We are left with 1 over 15 times 6 over 1, 10 raised to the power minus 4, okay, all our powers of 10. Now, even 6 over 15 still cuts out, because 3 into 6 is 2, 3 into 15 is 5. So I left with 10 minus 4, 10 raised to the power minus 4 with the numerator, and minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2, you just add your powers. Remember laws of indices? You have the same base 10, you add the power. Minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7. So we go on. 2 over 5 cuts down to 0.4. 2 over 5 cuts into divides 0.4. Now minus 4 minus minus, because you have the division sign, minus means this minus becomes plus 7. So we have 0.4 times 10 to the power minus 4 plus 7. Minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3, okay? Because like I said, minus 4 divided by, say, 10 raised to the power minus 4 divided by 10 to the power minus 7 is minus 4 minus minus. This minus from the law of indices, when you are dividing expressions with the same base. So minus meet minus, that's why it turns to plus. Okay, so we have 4 times 10 raised to the power minus 1. This minus 10 raised to minus 1 is coming from 0.4 expressed as this. Because by the time we turn 0.4 to 4, we have to become, so 4 times 10 to the power minus 1 is 0.4. So we have minus 1 plus 3, because we are multiplying. Law of indices, when you have the multiplication law. Okay, multiplication law, you just add the powers. So minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 2 is going to give you plus 2. Remember, you already have 4 here. So 4 times 10 raised to the power 2. You can split the expression. If it's multiplication that is between them, you can split it like this with 4 times root 10 raised to the power 2. But if it's addition, please don't split. Since it's multiplication, you can split it like this. Or if you like, just say 4 times 10 raised to the power 2 is 400. So the square root of 400, you're still going to get 20 as your answer. If you split it this way, root 4 is 2, and root 10 raised to the power 2. 10 raised to the power 2 is 100. Square root of 100 is 10.